Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta, Assistant Professor, RDG College for Women, Akola. This is our first session of research methodology. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of research methodology, need, qualities of a good research, and advantages of research methodology. So, our first point is definition of research methodology. Research, in common parlance, refers to a search for knowledge. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. In fact, research is an art of scientific investigation. The Advanced Learner's Dictionary of Current English lays down the meaning of research as a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. Redmayne and Mori define research as a systematized efforts to gain new knowledge. Some people consider research as a movement from the unknown to known. It is actually a journey of discovery. We all possess the vital instinct of curiosity. When the unknown confronts us, we wonder, and our curiosity makes us probe and attain full and fuller understanding of the unknown. This curiosity is the mother of all knowledge and the method which man employs for obtaining the knowledge of whatever the unknown and can be termed as research. So, research is an academic activity and as such the term should be used in a technical sense. According to Clifford Woody, research comprises defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing and evaluating data, making deductions and reaching conclusions, and at last, carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis. Similarly, M. Stephenson in the Encyclopedia of Social Sciences defined research as the manipulation of things, concepts or symbols for the purpose of generalizing to extend, correct or verify knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in construction of theory or in the practice of an art. So, research is an original contribution to the existing stock of knowledge, making for its advancement. It is the pursuit of truth with the help of study, observation, comparison and experiment. In short, the search for knowledge through objective and systematic method of finding solution to a problem is also known as a research. The systematic approach concerning generalization and the formulation of a theory is also called research. As such methods where research is very important, therefore research refers to the systematic method of initiate the problem, formulating the hypothesis, collecting the facts or data, analyzing the facts and reaching certain conclusions, either in the form of solutions toward the concerned problem or in certain generalizations for some theoretical formulation. So finally, research means to search or investigate new things from the established facts and to reach on new conclusions. So, research is conducted with a purpose to understand what do organizations or business really want to find out. What are the processes that need to be followed to chase the idea? What are the arguments that need to be built around a concept? And what is the evidence that will be required for people to believe in the idea or concept? So these are the purpose of research when a person is trying to do research. Characteristics of research methodology. These are the characteristics of research methodology. The first point is systematic approach. It is a systematic approach which must be followed for accurate data. Rules and procedures are an integral part of the process that set the objectives. Researchers need to practice ethics and a code of conduct while making observations and drawing conclusions. Next point is, it is based on logical reasoning. Research is based on logical reasoning as there are two kinds of reasoning, inductive and deductive. While doing the research, both methods are very important. Actual observation in natural settings. Yes, the data or knowledge that is derived is in real time from actual observation in natural settings. Similarly, research is related to an in-depth analysis of data. Actually, there is an in-depth analysis of all data collected so that there are no anomalies associated with it. Generating new questions. Research creates a path for generating new questions. Existing data helps create more opportunities for research. Further, it is related to analytical aspect of nature. Research is analytical in nature. It makes use of all the available data so that there is no vagueness in inference. And last is accuracy. Accuracy is one of the most important aspects of research. The information that is obtained should be accurate and true to its nature. For example, laboratories provide a control environment to collect data. Accuracy is measured in the instruments used, the calibration of instrument or tools, and the final result of the experiment. So, these are the main features of a good research methodology. Need of research, as need is a mother of investigation. If there is a need, there is a way. We need research to find out new things and to figure out answer of the problems. Research helps in making a better living environment for all the organisms. We have research everywhere in our life. For example, new small steps that we take to change our life or to make our life better, that is also research in our life. If we don't have research, we will be stuck at the same place in life. So, we need new drugs to cure diseases like coronavirus. This is a burning problem of the globe. We are doing research on coronavirus to find out cure of deadly disease, to bring innovative technology for benefit of everyone. In this point, we can give the example of Android technology, and for understanding basic phenomenon behind a natural process and to apply that mechanism or process to other fields. So, the need to research came due to following reasons. These are the crux of a good research. When a person acquire degree at that time, the person wants to do research to get respectability, to face a challenge, to solve a problem, and to get intellectual joy. Some people are also doing research for gaining intellectual knowledge. And finally, to serve society by increasing standard of living for science and technology, and by showing right path to society in case of social and behavioral sciences. So because of these points, there is a need of research. Qualities of a good research. If these contents are included while doing the research, that research is a based example of new ideas. In this regard, research should be based on original task, original data, original finding. Research should be contribute something new which will be useful for everyone. Research should be important, and research should be based on technical soundness, as if there is a quality of technologically, then only research is useful in this modern scenario. And critical assessment of existing work. Actually, existing work is a base of research. While doing the research, researcher should use review of literature, and on the basis of that, one should try to present something new in a different manner. That is also a good quality of a research. Now, what are the advantages of research methodology? If there is an advantage, then only a person can motivate towards a particular task. And therefore, these are the advantages of research methodology. Because research methodology promotes well-being of human being. It provides tools for carrying out the research. Research develop a critical and scientific attitude, discipline, thinking for observation. Similarly, enrichment of the research process and provision of chance for in-depth study and understanding of the subject. Meanwhile, research helps to inculcate the ability to evaluate and use research result with reasonable confidence and in decision making. Apart from this, research inculcates the ability to learn, to read and think critically. So, finally, I conclude here. Research methodology is a set of systematic technique used in research. This simply means a guide to research and how it is conducted. Research describes and analyzes methods, throws more light on their limitations and resources, clarify their presuppositions and consequences, relating their potentialities to the twilight zone at the frontiers of knowledge. Please share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.